What's good, man? What's good? It's on Tuesday, the 1st of April, and we are getting started. Well, I got started yesterday, but I did not fail. So, I took two trades yesterday. One of them was a loss. The first one was a loss, and the second one I'm holding it on. In profit about 1 point something percent. Now that yesterday's loss was kind of funny, but first off, I want to move my stop loss to break even. So this is the second trade I'm in right now on GBP USD. It's almost 8 a.m. Now this is the second trade of the week, or the first trade of the month. I'm about 1 point something percent in profit, and I want to move my stop loss to break even because we have got to my level here, 1.295. So I need to break even right now. So let's do it. As you can see, I'm in profit 1 point something percent, 1.2%. Then I just drag my stop loss right in place. So that's it. I'm holding the trade. Now, for those that have been telling me to take partials and all of that, I don't take partials. I have a reason for that. And at the end of the day, I will always trade what makes sense to me. Because what makes sense to me is not what makes sense for you. So I will, whether I'm winning or losing, I will always trade what makes sense to me, even if I'm losing, okay? Because I don't know, those that are advising me in the comments, I don't know how you're performing. Are you funded? Are you getting payouts? I don't know. How do I know? So I will always trade what makes sense to me. And if something needs to change, I will always change it. So, because I can see, it's not like I'm here to waste my time. I can see when something is going wrong. I can see. So let me show you the yesterday's setup. Okay, I entered, went into profit a bit, then I lost it. Now we had two setups, one on USD card and the other one on GBP USD. But this one we had a setup right there, just right there, for this support, for this move right here, from here to targeting this level. But I did not take this one. Now, one of the reasons I did not take it is because of this 100 EMA, because you are just below it. But it was a very, very good setup. So this concept of EMA, I'm still, it's new to me. I'm still testing it and trying to optimize it and find ways to make use of it, best use of it. But if I don't get a lot of value from it, I will get rid of it, because I was not using it in the past. I just added it recently, so we'll see. But it's going well. The week has started well, especially the month. Today is 1st of April, so let's wait and see how this trade on GBP USD will work out. So from that loss of yesterday, I'm down, is it 3%? Let me show you. So this is the account right here. I don't know why it's not showing the balance, but it's showing the equity right now. I'm down 1.89%, but it should be showing the balance. That's the equity if you factor in the trade that is running right now. But you can see I lost a trade yesterday, 31st. On GBP USD, it was a buy. I lost 1%. So let's wait and see. How it's going to play out. Now it's about 4 hours later, and I want to see what's happening with my trade. So we had some news at 11:30. It's now 11:50. We had some news at 11:30. I'm not sure what happened. Some news on GBP USD. Alright, we got taken out at break even, and so this is what happened. I don't think there will be any other re-entry. Even on USD card, there is no setup. So I think I'm going to wait until the evening. But that was so fucked up. That was fucked up. So let me show you the account. This is the. You can see I'm down 3%. Now all the trades are closed. Now it's showing the exact balance. And you can see the trade is still going up. It's very likely it's going to keep going up and break this level. So the next level I'll be looking for an entry is on this one. Good morning. It's on Wednesday, and I've just taken a trade on USD card, and it's just pumping and pumping very quickly. I've missed the right entry. Actually, when I was watching the charts, because I take trades at the end of the 4-hour candle. If I had taken right at the time I got on the screen, I would have had a 5 pip advantage, but it is what it is, man. I have to follow the rules. Okay, I have to follow the rules all the time, even if it means just a small inconvenience. I have to follow the rules. So let me show you that trade on USD card. So this is the trade right here. There's the setup. I've taken it right there, targeting this level 1.44, and this is it. Yeah, up a bit, like 0.3%. So it's looking good. It's looking good. And today we have a big announcement from Trump. It's going to move the markets crazy. But it's going to be late at night, in the evening. So I guess I will. Let's first wait and see how this trade will play out in the next couple of hours. Then I will try to play it safe before that announcement comes, because it's going to be huge, especially on the Canadian dollar. It's going to be huge. So let's wait and see. I'm very optimistic with this trade. It's a good setup. But yeah, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even just at this 100 EMA. Now, if you drop down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see it's right there, and also the 15 minutes. So I will try to break even right here, because I want to play it safe. I don't want to. I'm very deep in drawdown right now. I mean, not too deep, 3%. So I'm trying to play it safe. So yeah, let's wait and see. Alright guys, it's 11:54 and about 3 or 4 hours later, and the trade is still in position. We are still playing around the entry point. So we dropped a bit. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. So we dropped, and now we are back up. I'm still not going to close this trade because I don't have a reason to do that. I still believe we will get at least to 1.43 before the next move, at least to this level for the next move. But we have some news at around 3 p.m. If those news go against me, I'm going to lose this trade. But if they come like in my way, that's going to help a lot. On GBP USD, I can't really. I'm not getting a good. In the morning, I was getting something here, but it wasn't really good. The entry was not good. There was nothing good about this setup. So So I guess if I miss this move, I will have to look for another entry around here, this level. If I don't, then I will look for an entry here, but let's just wait. So I will update you guys later in the day. Alright guys, it's about 2 p.m. and I've just received an email for the alert. So I'm not sure what USD card has done. Hopefully it has not taken me out before going up. So let's go and find out. Let's go and see. Alright guys, we survived. So we're in profit, and I'm going to move the stop loss to break even. We have hit 100 EMA, so I think it's only wise for me to move my stop loss. And also, as you can see, it's 2 p.m. and in about 1 hour we are going to have some news. The possibility of losing money on this trade is very, very low. So guys, it's 8:40 p.m. Now the news came out positive for the USD from what I can see here. So let's open up the chart and see. I was taken out at break even. So this is what happened. I think I will just be waiting because we have very high impact news. So I'm not gonna take any trade right now because those news are so unpredictable. Wow. This move happened, I did not get an entry. So that's it for today, man. I'll be waiting after those news come out, and then we'll see from tomorrow how it's going to play out. Good morning. We're on Thursday, and I've just taken a trade on a USD card, but it's going against me. It's almost, I've taken it like less than 5 minutes ago, and it's already halfway against me. I used a very, very tight stop loss because I wanted to. So where's the setup right here? We heard the news I told you about in the night, and you can see how violent this moves. Dropped all the way down. It was just so chaotic. We had some crazy moves on GBP/USD. Now I'm waiting for a possible retracement somewhere around these levels, and you can look for a continuation. But for now, GBP/USD is out of my sight. This trade is going really bad. It's going really, really bad. I used a tight stop loss so that I can have a better risk to reward ratio. So I don't know, that might be a problem, but let's wait and see how it's going to play out. If I lose this trade, I'll be down 4%, and I will be in a massive, big losing streak. So wow, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy. I don't know what has happened. I don't know what kind of news has come out, but that is crazy, bro. I've never seen anything like this, bro. Alright, so this is the account right here, and as you can see, I'm down 4%. That's crazy. I've lost 1% today, and I want to show you this is in my account diary right here. The link to Monevis is in the description if you'd like to sign up. Now, I want to show you, I'm in a losing streak right now as we speak. 1, 2, 3. It's not a losing trade because it's just $4. 4, 5, 6, 7. So this was the last win on this account. So I'm down 7 trades. A losing streak of 7 trades. That is tough, bro. That is really tough. So this is my first time going into drawdown of 4% on this account. I was at 3% some time ago. in drawdown. This is the first time I'm clocking 4%, and it's definitely the first time in a very long time I'm losing 7 trades in a row on one account. But I believe I'll recover. At least now the markets are moving. You know what I'm saying? We have been sitting in. If you have been watching the USD CAD and GBP which are the pairs I trade right now, they have been ranging, but now we are moving. So the likelihood of getting more setups, because the problem I've had is not catching good setup. The problem was most of my trades were ending up being break evens because you are not, the markets are moving. You catch a trade, you go a bit in profit, and then it goes down. But the markets are moving now, and I believe I will get myself out of this drawdown. But I'm still developing a good way of trading prop firms, because I can say I'm doing bad when it comes to trading, but trading prop firms, especially when you're not funded yet, when you're on the challenge, you have a profit target that you're chasing, it makes trading a bit harder because you're chasing, like, you, for example, it's hard for me to take a 1 to 2 when I'm trading phase 1 or phase 2 because I'm chasing a target. Why not go for a 1 to 3 or 1 to 4? So I'm trying to develop something that I can trade more frequently. Like, because my normal way, I can take a 1 trade a week or less. But now I'm trying to be trading more often and try to get the same results. I guess that's it for this week. That has been the development. I think I've lost 2 this week. If I find a good setup today or tomorrow, I will still take it. Oh my god, tomorrow is NFP. I wasn't even having that in my mind. But that's it for now. I will update you guys on the next episode. Peace.